All right, question 5, if you are here, that's because you got this wrong. Let's try and fix this. So this one's the longest of all of them we do. How many grams of KOH would you need to add to water to make 250 milliliters of a 4 molar solution? All right, this is a longer pick and fence. Even though we're still asking for grams, it's longer than normal because I gave you more data than normal. So we have to account for all of it. Sorry, OCD people. Work your way through that. All right, let's go with blue. So it says how many grams of KOH? We're going to have to find that. KOH, I think we may have already done one with it. It's 56 grams per 1 mole. All right, remember the hidden proportion. It's a proportion. The formula adds up to grams per mole. But you need to add to water to make 250 milliliters of a 4 molar. That's the other hidden proportion sort of here. 4 molar is really 4 moles per 1 liter. All right, so now we can see that we have two proportions and then we have one loner. All right, we always start with the loner or the thing I give you. Molarity we didn't because we had more than one thing in our answer. Here we're just going to solve for grams. All right, so now our loner would be our volume. But our volume always has to be in liters for these problems because molarity is always in liters. So remember, M sideways is a 3, or it has 3 legs. So I move the decimal 3 places, and there you go. I have 0.25 liters. Now, I use the picket fence. If I ever have a unit here, I write it down here. And I need to come up and find what one has liters in it, and it's right here. For every 1 liter, I have 4 moles. I write moles. I'm going to put moles down here. I've already used this one, so it must be this one. I have every 1 mole, I have 56 grams. Liters cancel out. Moles, the unit, cancels out. I'm left with just grams, which is just great because that's what I want. So now I simply just would do the math by multiplying everything above. So I take 0.25 and I multiply it by 4. Hold on, I'm going to clear this out. And that's an insult to your intelligence. That is 1. And then you multiply it by 56. Can't believe I got my calculator out. The answer here is 56 grams. That's how many grams you would have to add to make this solution. Now, it was blind chance that the answer was this. I did not mean to. Usually it will be a different answer. But multiply that by that, you get 1. Okay, so I told you in the notes, kind of in the nutshell, when asked for grams and given molarity, so this exact type of problem, just multiply the 3 numbers. Okay, now I want you to know how to do this. For sure, I want you to know how to do the picket fence, and I think that you do. But on this test, if you're savvy enough and you notice that, hey, he's asking me for grams. Oh, he gave me molarity. Then all you really do is multiply the 3 numbers, the molar mass times the volume in liters times the molarity. All right, hopefully that helps you solve those problems.